a very fun-loving woman, and we have come with all our relatives to Ooty, and she has got a cute little sweet daughter who is my dear sister, Asmi. She is my grandma. She has also come with us to Ooty, and it is really fun here. Friends, these are some of the amazing views on the way to Avalanche. Friends, these are the tall pine trees in Avalanche, which are mainly found in places like North America, Russia and Japan, and these are the pine cones which are so beautiful. And also, this is the entrance place to visit the main attractive spots of Avalanche, where we need to go by bus. But sorry friends, as we were not permitted to visit these places due to COVID, I missed those videos. Friends, this is one of the most beautiful viewpoint of Avalanche. Okay friends, this Christmas vacation was a valuable experience for me, and I believe it was the same for you too. Hope you enjoyed this video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. A very happy new year to everyone, and thank you to each and everyone who have subscribed to my channel, and please do keep encouraging me. This is Pratna BK signing out until we meet again in the next video. Thank you. Stay safe. Bye bye.